Welcome to Victoria Falls. We made it. Not too difficult getting here. About 30 minutes. You will definitely have some wet feet. One of the unique things about this location is the natural bluish green color of the water. This is because of the minerals emanating from the Valley of Desolation and the Boiling Lake, which is upstream. We're not gonna get that far today. For now, let's go take a swim. So we just got back from Victoria Falls. We're gonna stop by Moses, Bush Doctor. He's gonna prepare some real good Ital cooking for us. Everything straight from his garden. Let's go see what he has for us.
Love garden, yes, peace, love and harmony.